The Russian capital and its wide tarmac roads, massive concrete structures and impressive metro system were submerged after the city received up to 70% of the average monthly rainfall during a torrential downpour over the weekend and today. Local officials said mud-clogged drains in the city, combined with unusually heavy rainfall, contributed to significant flooding in Moscow's eastern districts, including the Yasenyevo metro station, which shut down traffic between the city's Tyaplystan and Novoyasenevo metro stations. Also, a lightning strike set fire to a power plant near the city. Torrential rain, wind and hail raged throughout the city for 2 days and is expected to continue for at least another 12 hours. City officials have warned residents to stay at home. Despite this, there are many reports of traffic jams on the city's flooded streets, and even footage of people bathing in stagnant street water that is likely full of hazardous debris and sewage. In 2016, the rains caused major flooding, which the city authorities then blamed on construction equipment and construction waste that clogged the city's sewers. 2 floods in 5 years may seem like a big disaster, but in the early 1900s, the rivers near Moscow flooded annually, so I think they improved a little over the years.